You, citizen! Yes, you. Did you remember today to eat no food a bird touched? What are birds? Suppurating in feathered bags of meat that fly above us. Above all else, they are dirty, bathing in refuse and eating trash. Flying through skies tainted with pollution and impure thoughts. And they will bring their collected filth straight to your dinner table. Have you eaten bird-touched food? Yes, and now I can only dream of crime and ruin.
No, I choose society over chaos and filth.
Citizens pledge against the birds.
I will only eat what an adult feeds me.
I will build bird-proof structures for all.
My gun will stop the birds and their associates.
I will discover the anti-bird equation.
Citizen, what is your pledge? Eat no food a bird touched.